Tuna sandwiches.
And they big ass boats everywhere here. Who knows the history of this bar? There's a bunch of bodies buried under this bar. I have no idea where the hell I'm at right now. Just following the traffic. Now it's time to go to bed. There's tons of people already here. I guess nobody has nothing to do.
Hey, kitty cat.
So what I just took a video of was it's Hemingway's Last Penny. Yeah, getting you air, man. Breathe. Python. Welcome to Key West. It's my first time ever being here. Not that many people are here. It's early in the morning. People are out doing their exercising and stuff, but here checking it out, having a good time. Just drove like 7 hours from Orlando. There's a lot of little roosters running around, but I'm gonna go here in a second to the Navy Air Station or the Navy Station, whatever they call it here, and set up my tent space and camp for the next 2 nights. If you come out to Key West or you come to this area, just be prepared to anywhere you're trying to take a picture or get a video, there's a billion people trying to do the same thing that you're doing. And they're all out here 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. I figured I could come out here early in the morning and there wouldn't be that many people, but there's just tons of folks out here. There was tons of traffic coming up here, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't bad at all. So I'm walking on the famous Duval Street. This is where this is kind of like Bourbon, whatever that Bourbon Street or whatever in New Orleans. This is their the big party hotel shopping area down through here in Key West. Just walking through. It's still festive from the holiday stuff that is still up. One of the things that you'll see around here that's kind of odd that you don't see really anywhere else is roosters just walking around in the middle of the street. That's different. Usually don't see that anywhere else. So it costs $11 for 2 hours for parking, which is crazy, but anytime you come down south, it's usually crazy expensive for parking. But it's okay, there's nobody here yet. It's early in the morning, and I'm gonna go ahead and head over and start looking at wherever I'm gonna be camping out at and set up my tent and get that set up. So it's gonna be fun doing that. So now I'm walking to the NEX, or we call it the BX, but go get some ice. My book bag. The tent that I put up is yeah, I paid $40 for it because normally I would camp in my van, but they wouldn't let me camp in my van here. Even I could anyway, but you know me, I like to follow the rules. So got the little tent. I'm gonna try to sleep in it. It's like really low to the ground, like almost no room for me to get in it, but I'm not even a big dude. We're gonna try. Yeah, campsite tent is probably like about this high. It's probably about 2-3 feet high. So I got to crawl into my little cave, and I had to open the flaps on the side because there was no air coming through it. So it'll be nice at nighttime when it cools down a little bit. But I've been up all night. I drove all night, got here. It's really nice. I'm jealous of all these people with these really nice RVs because I feel like a piece of chicken cooking in some tinfoil and stuff, and they're all relaxing in their comfortable RVs and these vans with all of the solar panels. And I mean, what's the point of camping? Like, they're glamping. I guess you can call it glamping. Used one of my coolers for the first time to see how long the ice will last in it. I'm sure it's probably going to be like a day, so I'm going to end up having to get an actual big ass cooler. It's not too bad having these little blue moons. I'm just hanging out until it's time to pass out for a little bit, take a nap. And then I'm going to head out downtown. I'm going to take a taxi to come get me, to take me downtown so I can go hang out with the locals and then take the taxi back to the campsite. Hopefully my tent hasn't blown away somewhere, and go and enjoy that. Not bad so far.
Tuna sandwiches.
Walking in some random spots here in Key West, and there's a lot of restaurants and bars and different things here that are pretty awesome. Tons of these expensive ass boats. Really nice, really awesome. They big ass boats everywhere here, waiting for the sun to go down so we can see some of the pretty lights out here. Anybody knows the history of this bar, there's a bunch of bodies buried under this bar, and there's a grave right next to the tree. I've been walking. I have no idea where the hell I'm at right now. Just following the traffic. I have absolutely no idea where I'm at. So I'm just feeling the vibe. I'm just walking around, having a good time. All right, so we're back at the dock. We're gonna check it out and see what it looks like with the lights down and the lights that are lit up here to see how crazy amazing it looks. We're gonna check it out. Now it's time to go to bed.